Welcome! In this demonstration video, we're going to look at how we can pass parameters to a browser when using the Browser Redirector feature within Avanite's Web Data Control. In our previous video, we demonstrated how Browser Redirector ensures that specific URLs are always redirected into a particular browser. In this video, we're going to extend that functionality to pass a parameter to the browser as it is being redirected to. First, we need to configure Browser Redirector using group policy. You will need a valid Web Data Control license. I have one already pre-configured in this environment. Next, you will also need to enable the policy to run Browser Redirector through the notification service. We then need to configure Browser Redirector for each browser. In this example, we're going to configure the Chrome homepage to always be redirected to Google Chrome. We will enforce that the Mozilla homepage is always redirected to Mozilla Firefox. The Avanite homepage will always be redirected into Internet Explorer. We also need to set Browser Redirector to be the default browser on this machine. This ensures that Browser Redirector handles all URL navigations and passes them off to the appropriate browser. Next, we need to configure the parameters that will be passed to each browser. We're going to ensure that all URLs redirected into Chrome will be opened in full screen mode by using the Start Maximize parameter. We will also force any URL redirected into Firefox to be opened in a new window by using the New Window parameter. And finally, if Browser Redirector redirects a URL to Internet Explorer, we will force it to be opened in kiosk mode by using the K parameter. Now that the configuration is set up, I will log on as my test user so we can see this in action. If we start Chrome, you can see that the Chrome window will not start maximized, as it has not been opened through Browser Redirector. However, if I click on the Chrome homepage URL, Browser Redirector will redirect us to Chrome and force the window to be maximized. Next, we can see Browser Redirector forcing Firefox to always be opened in a new window. If I launch a new instance of Firefox, then click on the Mozilla homepage URL, Browser Redirector will open a new Firefox window before navigating to the Mozilla homepage. Finally, when I start Internet Explorer, the browser is not opened in kiosk mode. But if we click on the avanite.com URL, Browser Redirector will redirect the URL request to Internet Explorer and force it to open in kiosk mode. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration video. You can find out more information by visiting the Avanite website or contacting us via email or telephone.